Hello, this is lesson 4 of our book study of Bud Not Buddy. First thing you'll need to be doing is interpreting figurative language. Take out your figurative language in Bud Not Buddy graphic organizer from lesson 2. You should already have 2 examples written down. You're going to use the following 2 examples to analyze. Write them on your graphic organizer. Here's the first one on page 31. Make sure you write this down under the example from the text. They hadn't locked the kitchen window. It slid open with just a couple of squeaks. Then I was inside the Amos house, crouched down like a cat burglar. Quick as a rabbit, I looked under the table to see if they'd moved my suitcase. It was still there. In the second column, you need to interpret that. What does that literally mean? Is he trying to rob their house? What does that example mean? And on the third and last column, tell me, what does it tell you about Bud and his personality? The second example is on page 34. It reads, "He was deep asleep and his hands were crossed on his chest like he was ready for the graveyard." Again, what does that literally mean, and what does it tell you about Bud? Once you're finished with that, make sure you have that worksheet turned in. You can do that at school. The selected response questions are a worksheet that looks like this. You should have picked this up from me so you can do this. You'll have to read the passage below and answer the questions that follow. It has to do with Todd and Bud. Once you have read the passage, make sure you answer all the questions. They're about word choice and what different words and phrases means. And be sure to use evidence from the story to answer question number 4, which is a short answer response question. Now you will need to read chapter 4 of Bud Not Buddy. Don't forget to write words from the chapter on your word catcher. When you finish the chapter, make sure you have 20 total words written down. If you don't have 20, you're going to need to go back to chapters 3 and 4 and find some more words to write down. Next, choose 10 words to look up and write a definition for. Don't forget the part of speech. Is the word a noun, a verb, an adjective? And make sure you write these definitions on the back of the word catcher so we can conserve paper. That's it for chapter 4. Hope you had fun reading it.